Hey friends, we're going to get started with TinkerCAD. So if you search for TinkerCAD in Google, we're going to go join. So go to TinkerCAD. You can do 3D modeling on this. You can do circuits. We're going to use it for circuits. So we're going to make an account. So sign up. Create a personal account. We're not going to do a class. We're going to make a personal account. Sign in with Google, right? Because then you'll be able to access your stuff whenever. Okay, use your account. Continue. US, put your actual birthday in. October 13th. There you go, if you want to get me a present. Whew, long time ago. 1977. Okay, put your real birthday in, you'll be good. Continue. Okay, here we go. So now we can do 3D designs, we can do circuits. There are some tutorials and things here. We're going to do a little tutorial ourselves right now. Right, if I go to the home screen, just click on the TinkerCAD thing and you'll go to the home screen. This is the home screen right now. You can go to circuits, either from here, you can click on the plus to create a design, or you can go to designs, circuits, and then this will show all of your circuits and you can click create from here. Okay, so we're going to click create to create a new circuit. All right. And we'll give it a name up here. So if you click on the name up here, and I'll just call it my first, Andy's first circuit. There we go. Nice. All right. So now what you can do in TinkerCAD is you can choose any component over on the right that you want, right? So like here is a little lithium battery, okay? It tells you what it is. You can give it a name, and then you can join them together as well. So let's use that to light up an LED. So if I get a little LED here, it's an LED. Okay, now this component, zoom in, so you can use pinch zoom. This component, I can rotate it around here using this button or using the R key. So rotate it, right? So RRR, there we go. Okay, you can also flip it. You can mirror it here using this one or the M key. Mirror it, here we go. And then it tells you which leg is which. The anode is the positive, that's the long positive leg, and the cathode is the negative, the short negative leg. And then what you do is you click on the terminals, left click, and it'll make a wire, and then you can connect that to another terminal. There we go. And then I can connect this one to here. There we go. All right, so now I've got my battery connected to my LED, and then you can run it. It's a simulation. So top right here, you can click start simulation and it turns the LED on. There we go. And it tells you what the current through the LED is. Here we go. So this will burn out eventually because the current is a little bit too much. Okay, normally we'd want to put a little resistor in to limit the current. Stop simulation. Okay, now you can make the wires neater. If you double click on the wire, it'll make a little corner point which you can drag. Okay, make it nice and neat. Okay, and you can also change the color. So if I click on that wire, let's make it red for positive, and then click on this one, and we'll make it black for negative. Okay, so, and then I can drag that over in my workspace. Okay, so that's one example. Let's make another example where I'm going to show you how you can actually break components without breaking them in real life. Oops, which is kind of nice. Here, battery. Batteries. Here we go. Let's do let's grab a 9-volt battery down here. 9-volt battery. There we go. Let's use that. Ooh, it's big. All right, so rotate, R, 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 R. Zoom out a little bit. Grab this guy over here. And then let's rotate the LED, and I'm going to mirror it, flip it, so that the positive leg is at the top. Now look what happens if I connect positive to that, negative to that, and then turn it on. Whoops-a-daisy, it breaks, okay, because too much current goes through it. What we'll normally do with an LED is we'll put a current limiting resistor in. So let's do that. So here I can go resistor. Select this resistor. There's a resistor here. Drag that. Now I can specify the value. If I do 220 ohms, okay, and then I'll rotate that round so I can line it up neatly. And then I can go click, 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 and then click, click, click. Okay, let's change the colors as well to make it look neat. And then if I turn it on now, it doesn't break. Okay, the current's still a little high. So what I could do is I could change that resistor value. If I make that, let's make that 330, see what happens. 330 ohms. Now run it, what does it say? 20, oh, it's still a little bit much. So I could make that resistor a bigger value, okay? But we'll usually be using 220 because we're using the Arduino, which is only 5 volts. So that'll give us the right current through the resistor. All right, so you give that a try, folks. And hopefully it works nicely for you.